Just landed in Nashville. Picked up the rental car. Got my chauffeur. And the Kia Soul. On our way to our Airbnb. Drop off our luggage. And it's time to get some breakfast.
We are on our way to well, we forgot what falls we're going to because
Starts with a B.
Bushnell?
No, it's in Florida. Yeah, it's one.
Huh?
Good service.
Burgess. Oh, we are on our way to Burgess Falls. I'm pretty hangry, so we're gonna stop and get some breakfast, something light, and we're planning on hiking all day. So here we go.
Yay.
Woo, 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 woo. We made it to Burgess Falls Trail, and something's closed, but we'll figure it out when we get there. Ready?
Almost.
Look at his stunning shoes. Gorge, babe, gorge. There's people looking at me talking, and I have that jacket that girl's wearing. Okay, bye. Burgess Falls. Woohoo! It was fairly strenuous, but we did it. And Jimmy's scaring the crap out of me. Out of control. This is so beautiful.
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 It is beautiful.
Scary and beautiful.
I know.
Just like you. I am not looking forward to this long hike back. But here we go. All this waterfall sounds make me want to pee. And I'm so out of breath.
Gotta start working out more.
Okay. Something. See, I wasn't lying. Strenuous. Okay. Told you.
What's going on? Shout out my boy Stu.
Oh, Stu, Explore Nash. This has, I mean, we are definitely not as good as them. We know no facts.
No facts.
Zero facts, honestly. Less than zero.
We should have hit Stu up. Collabed on a video.
Stu! Okay. Told you.